This
Sir.
conference will now be recorded.
Hmm? This is our last class, exception handling, right? So I hope you guys are understood about exception handling. If you have any question, please let me know. Let's go for your specific folder. And this one folders, I want to create the new folder. The folder name is, it's a Python. Upload. Cutting a take. Okay. Okay. So I think I'm just giving a small assignment for you all. Have you done that particular assignment? Hmm? Tell me, guys. I just given a small assignment to you all.
Yes,
Have you?
sir. It did, sir.
Okay, all. There are nine questions are there. Hello, hello. Okay, okay, fine. So, guys, today I just want to talk about the new thing, which is regular expressions. 2022, uh, regular expressions. So, tell me what exactly the regular expressions. Tell me what exactly the regular expressions. Please share your answers. Where we can use it. You just answer it. We'll wait for your answers.
Sir, I think it is a sequence of characters, sir.
What it is?
Sequence of characters.
Any other answers? Tell me, guys. Is there any answers? So, today's topic is very important. When you want to become like a data scientist, sometimes you need to work with the data. So the data is sometimes it is not in a proper format, or you need to access some sequence of information. So that particular situation, the regular expressions will help you. Okay. So we are talking about regular expressions. So when we're talking about regular expressions, see, these are the regular expressions, not only Python. If you go for any programming language, so there also this regular expressions are available. Okay. So basically, what exactly the regular expression is, it's nothing but it's a sequence of characters. What it is? It's a sequence of characters. So what is the use of this particular thing? So with help of this particular sequence of characters, we can create the patterns. We can create the pattern or else expression. Is it clear or not? So regular expression means sequence of characters which can help you to create the pattern or expression. So what is the purpose? What is the purpose? The purpose of creating this sequence of characters is, might you want to be go with, if you want to go with search for one particular character, or if you want to go with finding the or updating the some information, update the information in the in the data. Okay, might if you require some information, so you have a raw information. From that particular raw information, you would like to go for some search on specific data. In the meanwhile, there are some data is there that you would like to update with help of the regular expression. Okay, and the next one is search, update, and delete. So if you want to delete any specific data in a raw data, that we will do with help of the regular expression. And validation, data validation purpose, data validation. Okay, data validation, or pattern matching or not. So one particular thing is matched or not, for finding whatever it is. So different kind of operations we can perform on the raw data with help of the regular expression. Okay, so for performing this particular regular expression, we have a model in Python which is the RU module. What it is? RE model. This is the RE model. It can help you for to performing the regular expressions. If you want to use this particular regular expression or RE model, you would like to go with import the RE. You would like to go with import the RE. Let's see some kind of methods are there. Let's see what are the methods which we have it. The first one is the search method. What it is? Search method. I can give you some examples on each and everything. And match method. Third one is find all. And the fourth one is substitute. Okay. And like we have some kind of methods are available. Let's see. I have some raw data. I have some raw data. So the raw data is, I don't know what exactly this one. Might it is having the Anjan. Okay. So I may have some information. I don't know whether Anjan is there inside of this particular group of characters that I would like to search for it. Okay. So what I will do, you would like to go for import the RE model. Inside of the RE model, we have the search method is there, and first here we have to give you the pattern, and here we have to provide you the data. Okay, so the pattern, how we can able to create it, is a sequence of characters, right? What is my characters here? I would like to find out the engine. So this is the sequence of characters that it is making as the pattern. That pattern I'm giving to input for the search method, and this is the pattern which is able to searching inside of this particular raw data. If it is available, then it can able to return the some matched object. Okay, so this is the engine which is matched in this particular location. For example, the data which is not there, the data which is not available. If the data is not available, then which is not returning anything. So if you want to print it, it can be printing none actually. Okay. See, previously we are getting some information that is match, but here we are not getting any information. The reason is that it is not found at all. It is not at all searched it. I mean, that element is not at all there inside of that particular raw data. Okay, did you got my point? How the search method is working inside of the RU model? So RU model, it can help you. So if we have some unwanted data or unstructured data, from that particular unstructured data, you would like to go with the a different kind of okay, like what we will do, we can search it, we can match it. Okay, we can find, we can substitute, different kind of operations we will do. So can you note it, or else once done, will you able to note this information what we will do now? Did you got it how the search method is working? If you want to know about more information about search method, then we can go with help re dot. So if I execute this one, which is returns the some information, the information is scan through a string looking for a match to the pattern, returning the matched object, or none if no match was found. So if the pattern was not found, then it will be returns the none. If the pattern was found, it was returns the matched object. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, now let's go for the match method. So here match method is there. So with help of the match method, it would like to go with the of checking the scanning the data, but it will go for scanning at the beginning of the data actually, not end of it, or not in the middle. So the pattern whatever you are giving, that is available at the beginning only, then only it can able to returns the matched object. Otherwise it won't return it. It can be returns the none. So if we go with re dot match, then if I run it, so try to apply the pattern at the start of the string. So whatever the pattern we have it, it will be go for apply at the beginning of the string. So if it is if it is found, then it will be returns the matched object. If it is not found, then it will be returns the none. Okay. Is it clear, guys? So this is about match method. Then we have the some raw information is there. So maybe the engine was repeated in a different situations and different times. I just want to find out all matched information. Then I just apply the find all. It will returns the. So for example, this pattern was curated. It might be available in a three times. Then it can be returns the three times that particular matched information. Okay. So if you want to know about what exactly the find all, which is finding the entire information, the entire pattern, how many times which is repeated, that all times it can able to return it. So we can go through this one. Return the list. Yes, it is returning the list, and all non-overlapping matching in the string. So whatever the pattern, that particular pattern where it is find out that particular string, it can able to returning it. If one or more capturing groups are present in the pattern, returning the list of groups, that will be the list of tuple if the pattern has more than one group. Okay. Empty matches are included, then result will be say empty square brackets. So if I use the same find all, but my pattern was not found, then that particular situation, it can be empty list. Can be empty list. Okay, so if my pattern was not found, then it can be returned to the empty list. Okay, so is there any question regarding about this particular find all, match and search method? Now, substitute. So substitute is one of the very important method. So the main importance of this one is, so wherever our wherever the pattern was found, which is replaced with our new data. So here my new data, for example, engine, wherever the small engine is there, that I want to be replaced with capital engine in this particular raw data. So it can able to return the new string. It can be written the new string, and which is updated string with my new data. Wherever my pattern is found, wherever my pattern is found, that it will be replaced with my new data. That is the use of the substitute method. Okay. Is there any question?
Sir,
Meanwhile, we have the split method is there. We have the split method. I want to split my data with the separation of engine. So wherever the engine is there, that I just want to be split it. So if I found the engine, then I can split that particular raw string into the different groups. So with separation of the engine, so before the engine, in between the engine, whatever the data we have it, that it can able to access it. In between the knf and dsnf, we have one engine, so that which is segregated, which is separated. And in between these two things also, we have one more engine. In between these two things also, we have one more engine is there. So with the reference of the pattern, we can able to split your entire string into sub list wise. Okay, clear? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
For example, For example, square for observer here, if I run this one, here I'm getting the span is the some positions in between the 9 to 14, this particular matched information is available, right? So I just want to only span information. Then what I will do, okay, what I will do, I can assign this one to my result. So the result, it might having the full information about my result. Okay, so if I want only span, then we just give you result of span, then it can able to returns the, so the positions. Okay, the position of the pattern is matched information, and result of match. Okay, so match is not there. So if you want access only the data, so then I can use the group, I think so. Group also not working. Dot pattern dot draw group. With the help of the group, if it is found in this particular location that I want to access, then I can use the group. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear or not? The group is the method, it will use it for to know the data, matched information. So like this, we have some specific operations. We have it most of the time. We are going to be using either search and match, either find all or substitute. So the substitute will use it for to replacing as well as for deleting also. But so our target is that not to use this particular operation. As a data, as a Python developer, we need to create the patterns. For every time creating the patterns, it's not use only alphabets. So there are different kind of special characters are there. So there are a lot many special characters are there. These are the special characters are used for to create the regular expressions. Okay, so we have a lot of regular expressions or regular characters are there. So special characters are there. The first one is the dot, and so we have the you know cat
Last
symbol, we have the dollar symbol. Okay, and we have the star symbol, we have the plus symbol. Okay, and so we have the curly braces, we have the square brackets, and
tag.
so different kind of different kind of, sorry, which character? So we have lot of
Hashtag
characters are
and
there.
let the
If you want
data.
to, what happened? So we can see this one here, we can have the question mark. So here we have a question mark. Okay, dot, cap symbol, and um, dollar symbol, star symbol, plus symbol, and curly braces. Okay, and square brackets, pipe symbol. Okay, and C, and we have some D in the sense digits, backslash capital D, backslash W, backslash capital W, backslash S, and backslash capital S. Okay, so here we have a lot of characters are there. Okay, see, these all are the special characters. Whatever you can see, these all are the special characters. So usually with help of this particular special characters only, we can able to create the patterns, not like previous examples. Okay, not like previous example. With help of this particular special characters only, we can able to go for creating this particular regular expressions, okay, patterns. So in a tomorrow session, what we will see, we will go for understanding the each and every character with previous, I mean present, today's functions. With help of the today's functions, we can able to go for use this all special characters. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear or not?
Sir, clear, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's for today's class, guys. We'll catch up tomorrow on a continuation of the regular expressions. Okay, and come to our stats class after 20 minutes. Bye. Take care. See you.
Bye, sir.